Alright guys, welcome back to this learning module. So what is Python? Python is a programming language. Like the other programming language we have C#, we have C++, C, Java, so on and so forth, right? So why do we need Python? Python is actually used to build the operational code of a website. So think of any website that we have. What we see in the website is actually the front end design of the website. So once we click on the button, once we fill on the form, click on the button, submit the form, all of the functional code is actually being processed using a back-end programming language. This can happen to be JavaScript or Python or many other programming languages. Alright, Python is also used to automate tasks. So if you want to perform some of the housekeeping in our PC, we can use Python to create a Python script, and we can schedule the script to run it either in a daily basis or a monthly basis, so on and so forth. Alright, so we can also use Python as a data analytical platform, whereby we can use Python to do data crawling. We can create web spiders, go into websites, start crawling data from the websites, using Selenium to guide the spiders what to do when they enter the website. And we can also use Python as a data science platform with the help of Python Pandas as a data analysis library to assist us on data cleansing, data massaging, and also transform our data into a more cleaner file to be the input for predictive modeling, right? So here we have scikit-learn, which is a AI model library to assist us in building a predictive model, whereby we could use this model to predict or forecast our revenue in the next 3 months, or to predict our customer behavior when they purchase some of the items in our store. Okay, so this is what we can do with Python. Of course there's more, but this is just some of the things I list out, some of the common things that we can see how people use Python in their operational activities, right? So I'm gonna talk more detail on using Python as a data analytical platform. So basically when we talk about data crawling, we are creating spiders to crawl data from multiple web pages, and we will have all the data to be stored in our data extract, whereby we have all the data that is coming from web page A, B, and C. Once we have all the data extracted, we can use Python Pandas to transform the data into machine readable inputs for machine learning, right? So we're gonna have the data input from here to be fed as a input in our predictive modeling. So our model will learn what is the characteristic or what are the patterns that can be found in our data input. Alright, so once our AI model has captured most of the inputs, our model will start giving us the predicted output, right? So this is how Python comes into play when we talk about using Python as a data analytical platform, whereby we combine each of these elements here to come out with a predictive modeling. Alright, but for this course here, I'm not going to deep dive into web crawling and also predictive modeling, because this is a very brief beginner course and I do not want to get you confused with all kinds of different stuffs here. But basically this is just a very general idea of what is Python about, right? So yep, that's all for the lesson for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next module. Thanks and bye bye.